Welcome to the course JavaScript. In the second module, we will start operators. In this module, we will learn what are operators, what operators JavaScript supports, and we will play with some operators. So what are operators? An operator is a character or group of characters that represent an action. For example, x, which is a multiplication sign, is an arithmetic operator that represents multiplication. Operator performs some operations on operands, that is values or variables. For example, 2 multiplied by 3. Here 2 and 3 are operands and the multiplication sign is the operator which operates on operand 2 and operand 3. So JavaScript supports arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and many more like bitwise operator and many more it supports, but we will cover only these 4 operators in this course. So first we will start with arithmetic operators. So these all are arithmetic operators including addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Modulus means a remainder. Let's say if we are dividing 5 by 2, then the remainder would be 1 and modulus operator gives us that remainder. Then last two are increment and decrement operators. Last two, this increment and decrement operators are unary operators. They work on a single variable, but for above 5 ones they need 2 operands or 2 variables to work. Let's have a look. So we will use this skeleton in every program. So I'm copying it onto new page using this title. We had skipped that title into our skeleton, but we can use title to display it on any browser's title bar. So here we are creating a program to use arithmetic operators. So we are creating 2 variables where x equals to 10 and let y equals to 5. See, we had used 2 keywords, where and let. We will see what where does and what let does to us, to our program. So I am writing another variable, let z equals to x plus y. So this plus is a arithmetic operator which should add value of x and y and store it into z. Then we will write alert addition equals to plus z. Now this plus is different than your arithmetic operator. This plus is concatenating 2 strings, whereas this x plus y, this plus is an arithmetic operator. Let's save this file with .html extension. File type should be hypertext markup language file, and let's see it on browser how it works. So here we are getting addition equals to 15 because x was 10 and y was 5, so that's why we are getting 15. Now we will copy this code, paste again, and we will use another operator. Instead of alert, we will use document.write. So instead of getting that pop-up, we will get results on that browser only. Okay, so we had used document.write. Now we had created 2 variables, where x and let y. Now we are again creating where x and let y. Let's see if this makes any difference or not. Let's see on browser. Before that, I will copy it again, and instead of plus we will use multiplication, and here we will write multiplication equals to z. Save it, and on browser we will refresh our page, but we are not getting anything. Why? Is there any bug? Let's have a look. I'm pressing F12 and we can see this error, uncaught syntax error. Identifier var has already been declared. So here when you declare a variable using let, it reserves a memory with that particular variable name, and you cannot create another variable with the same variable name. But in case of var, you can create the same variable multiple times. It won't restrict you to create same variable name again and again. But let will not allow you to declare same variable name in the same block. So that's why you should prefer let keyword instead of var. So I am using let x again, and then we will remove this let keywords from below variable declarations. Okay, good. We'll save this and refresh this. Oh, it's showing addition is also 5050 and multiplication is also 5050. Why so? So here we made a silly mistake. Here we are saying z equals to x plus y. After that we are doing again multiplication and storing result into z, and then we are displaying both. So because of same variable we are using, we have to display output after calculation of that output, so that after overwritten of its value we should display another values. So I am moving this statement above. Let's refresh browser. Now we can see addition equals to 1515 and multiplication equals to 5050. Good. So similarly we will copy this code again and we will use another arithmetic variables, another arithmetic operator. We had used plus, multiplication. Similarly you can use minus, but we will go with divide operator, let's say. So we are using here division. Let me change value of x to 12. So now we are trying to divide 12 by 5. So this is not completely divisible by 5. So we will get some fraction value, 2.4, 2.5 something value we will get, and this division will return our quotient of that particular divisor. So we are getting 2.4 as a division result of that problem. Okay. Now let's try to use modulus operator. What it returns, we will see. So normally modulus returns us the remainder of that calculation. So here if we are dividing 12 by 5, so the modulus would be, or the remainder would be 2. So let's refresh our browser, and yes, we are getting modulus or remainder equals to 2. But this 2 is a quotient one or remainder one, we are not sure, right? Because our division also returning 2.4. So let's change value from 12 to say 13. Save it and refresh it. So now we should get remainder 3. Yes. So modulus we are getting remainder equals to 3. So modulus returns us the remainder of the particular calculation. Now we will see the increment and decrement operators. So here I am trying to increment x value x plus plus and trying to decreasing value of y minus minus. So what it does, it will add 1 to the value of x and decrease value of y by 1 and store it into y itself. So let's say x is already 13, we are writing x plus plus, so it should return x equals to 14. Let's verify by using document.write. Similarly we are using y minus minus, so it should decrease y's value. So y is still at 5, we are decreasing it by 1, so we should get 4. So I am writing for you x plus plus means x equals to x plus 1 and y minus minus equals to y minus 1. Okay, so it will add value 1 to the existing value of x, and similarly for y it will less 1 from its existing value. Let's have a look on browser. So yes, now we are getting x equals to 14 and y equals to 4, because x value was 13, so after increment it got 40, and y was 5, so after decrement it got 4 value.
Assignment operators. So these are the operators which are assignment operator. Like first is equals to, which is very simple, a equals to b, so it is similarly to a equals to b. The second operator plus equals to, we can use it as a plus equals to b, which is similar to writing a equals to a plus b. In similar fashion, minus equal to, multiplication equals to, divide equals to, and modulus equals to. So these are the shortcut way to writing our statement. Let's have a look.
So now we will see assignment operators. So I am copying earlier program only and using assignment operators. We'll delete this stuff. Now we have three variables are already there: x equals to 10, y equals to 5, and z equals to x plus y. I will write x plus equals to y. So what it will do, it will add the value of x to the value of y and store the result into x itself. I am repeating again, we are using x plus equals to y. So it will store addition of x and y to x, and it overwrite the value of x. So x is 10 and y is 5. So it will store x plus y, means 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 into x. So we are getting addition equals to x. Instead of addition, we should write x equals to 10. So I am copying it and we'll see x minus equals to y. So before this statement, we got x was 15 after addition of 10 and 5. So y is not changed, so we are writing x minus equals to y, means we are using 15 minus value of y is 5, 15 minus 5, so it should display value of x is 10 again. Let me change this addition to subtraction and let's see, it should say value of x is 10 now. Here we go, we got subtraction equals to 10. Good.
Comparison operator. Comparison operator are used when we have to make some decision based on some condition. So the very first is double equals to, which is equal to, which will verify equality of two objects or two numbers, two variables. The 3 equals to represents strictly equal to, which includes value and type of that operands. The third one is not equal to. After that, it's not strictly equal to, followed by greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and the last one is ternary operator. This question mark is a ternary operator which also needs some colon as well. Logical operators. So there are only 3 logical operators in our course. So the double pipe sign, the first one is a logical OR. You might be aware of logical operations OR and a NOT. OR means addition of two binary numbers. So binary numbers means where you have only 2 digits, either 0 or 1. So this will OR them, means add them. Double ampersand means logical AND, it will multiply them, and this is a negation, means this is a NOT operator, logical NOT operator. We will see this in our practical. So here we come to end of our module 2. In this module we have learned what are the operators supported in JavaScript. So thank you very much guys for watching this module. Join me on next module. Thank you.